Hello and welcome back. Before we start today's lesson, I want to tell you something important. In the beginning, our videos will be a little shorter, and there is a reason for that. Many people start learning English with a lot of motivation. They feel excited, they feel inspired. But after a few days, that motivation slowly disappears, and then they stop practicing. Real learning depends on discipline. Motivation comes and motivation goes. But discipline stays with you. That is why we will start with small lessons, simple lessons, easy practice, something you can follow every single day. Because when you practice a little every day, your English improves naturally. So don't worry about long lessons right now. Focus on consistency. Focus on daily practice. Okay, let's begin. Warm-up practice. First, we will start with a very simple sentence. Listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Sentence number 1. I am learning English. Now repeat. I am learning English. Very good. Let's say it again. I am learning English. Excellent. Sentence number 2. English is easy when I practice. Now repeat. English is easy when I practice. Very good. Now say it again a little more naturally. English is easy when I practice. Wonderful. Shadowing practice. Now we will practice a powerful technique. It is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and repeat immediately. Try to copy my pronunciation, my speed, and my tone. Ready? Sentence 1. Today is a good day to learn English. Now repeat. Today is a good day to learn English. Again. Today is a good day to learn English. Excellent work. Sentence 2. Practice makes you better every day. Repeat after me. Practice makes you better every day. Again, practice makes you better every day. Very good. Thinking in English. Now we will learn how to think in English. Many learners translate every sentence, but strong English speakers think directly in English. Let me show you something simple. Imagine you are sitting in your room. You can say this. I am sitting in my room. Repeat. I am sitting in my room. Very nice. Now imagine you are drinking water. Say this. I am drinking water. Repeat again. I am drinking water. Excellent. Now imagine you are watching this lesson. Say this sentence. I am watching an English lesson. Repeat. I am watching an English lesson. Very good. This simple habit will train your brain to think in English. And slowly, English will feel natural. Confidence practice. Now we will practice confidence. Confidence is very important. Say this sentence with confidence. I can learn English. Repeat. I can learn English. Again. I can learn English. Excellent. Now say this. I am improving every day. Repeat. I am improving every day. Wonderful. And now say this. I am not afraid of mistakes. Repeat. I am not afraid of mistakes. Very good. Remember this. Every mistake is a step forward. Before we finish, I want to tell you something. Learning English takes time. Sometimes you may feel slow. Sometimes you may feel frustrated. But never give up. Even 10 minutes of practice every day can change your English. Remember this rule. Practice every single day. You are doing a great job. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.